On the second day of his 4-day visit to Vietnam, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu held bilateral talks with his Vietnamese counterpart, and both leaders agreed to enhance cooperation in various fields, including defense, infrastructure, science and technology. The Vice President, who is on a 4-day visit to the country, said that both the nations have strong bilateral relationship based on mutual trust, understanding, convergence of views on regional and international issues. India and Vietnam on Friday agreed to further strengthen bilateral cooperation in various sectors, including defense and security, peaceful uses of atomic energy, infrastructure development, agriculture and innovation-based sectors. This was agreed after Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu held bilateral talks with his Vietnamese counterpart Dang Thi Ngoc Thanh in Hanoi.
India and Vietnam today have a strong bilateral relationship based on mutual trust, understanding, convergence of views on regional and international issues. We covered a wide range of bilateral, multilateral cooperation. We have agreed to strengthen further our bilateral cooperation in defense, security, peaceful use of atomic energy and outer space, science and technology, oil and gas, renewable energy, infrastructure development, agriculture and innovation-based sectors. India is providing extensive and sustained training support to Vietnam's armed forces and the implementation of the line of credit of $100 million for building high-speed patrol vessels for Vietnamese border guards is progressing satisfactorily. We also reviewed today implementation of the line of credit of $500 million for defense industry cooperation announced during the visit of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Bhai Modi in 2016. Our bilateral economic engagement during the last few years have immensely strengthened, and we discussed today means of facilitating our business and industry to harness the growing opportunities in our countries and in the region.
Both leaders reiterated the importance of building a peaceful and prosperous Indo-Pacific region for national sovereignty and international law.
We discussed and reiterated the importance of building a peaceful, prosperous Indo-Pacific region on the basis of respect of national sovereignty and international law. The concerned countries are able to reach consensus on a code of conduct in South China Sea. We are both fully committed to an open, transparent, inclusive and rules-based regional architecture based on freedom of navigation and overflight, unimpeded economic activities and peaceful settlement of disputes in accordance with the international law.
The Vice President called Vietnam a strategic pillar of India's Act East policy and key interlocutor in ASEAN. He said the exchange of high-level visits from both sides indicates commitment of the two countries to further strengthen comprehensive strategic partnership. Earlier in the day, Naidu was accorded a ceremonial welcome at the Presidential Palace. He also paid tribute to martyrs at the Monument of National Heroes and Martyrs. On Thursday, Naidu addressed the Indian community, where he said that the small Indian community in the country has numerous achievements to its credit.
India has been a steady and strong developmental partner of Vietnam. Over the years, Vietnam has been successful in making huge socio-economic advances. Indians and Indian businessmen and industry in Vietnam have been instrumental in promoting bilateral understanding and creating opportunities for the local economy and the society.
Vice President Naidu will deliver the keynote address at the 16th United Nations Vesak Divas in Hanoi on Sunday. This is Raj Kamal Rao's report for Rajya Sabha TV.